So this is a natural energy light. So the idea of this is that you are able to connect it up. And the great thing about this one is it runs on USB. So I have a USB power bank, and I'm going to just hook it up right here. You can plug it into the wall as well. It comes with its own plug. But because I want this to work off of batteries at the moment, it's got USB-C connection in there. It's got a nice stand. You can see right there. Stand it up and plug this in. I still have some power on here. Oops. And whoa, there's the brightness on there. You can kind of see how bright it is. Even increased brightness. And you can put a timer on it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, depending on how long you think you need some light for. And this will hopefully cheer you up in those winter months when it's all dark and yucky and gloomy. This will make you happy again and smile and cheery and make you feel good like you have some sun. Should be nice.